What's up, you guys? Another day in the garage. Actually, it's night. I've been here all day working. You've seen in the last clip that we had a big hiccup in the paint job. And as you can see right now, I have devised a plan to repair it, and I have been doing so all day. So it's kind of hard to explain, but I've been building a barrier around here, right? With spotting or glazing putty. And that's giving me a border to smooth out this paint line up here. So I'm sanding and I'm coming in at this angle, not going steep here, but right here, and blending that down until it's even so that this paint transition isn't so hard. I'm gonna go ahead and keep on doing that. I've done this probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 times already, and it is smooth. I know it looks horrible, and I am sorry, guys. I did not expect this to happen, nor did I want it to. So, you know, for right now, this is what we have to deal with. I'm sorry about the lighting again. Kind of got this trippy thing going on because of the LEDs, and they're kind of low. But you can see right here what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and sand that down and keep on working it. I have another plan. Because I can't just leave this bare, right? I have to put some primer underneath there. You can't do a hard tape line. It's only been about 24 hours since this, and if I did a hard line or a tape line, there's a chance this paint actually peeling up because the adhesive in the tape will mix with the gas that's, you know, gassing out of this paint, and the two chemicals will become really sticky, bond together, and I'll rip it off. But I think I've got a plan. I'm going to use sticky notes and kind of border this out. I know it sounds really ghetto, guys, but trust me, I think it's going to work. I've been thinking about it all day. But then I'm going to take black primer. I'm going to hit this area. I'm going to have this all bordered off so I'm not getting overspray on anything. And all these little areas that I kind of found to be mistakes or have that same consistency, I already sanded, so I'm just going to do just a brush of black primer on there. And I'm going to go ahead and shoot the entire bay again before I clear coat it, obviously. I am so sorry about the delay, guys, and not having any videos for you. I've literally buried my all into this, and as you guys can tell, it kind of destroyed me when the paint messed up. So, you know, like I said before, winners never quit, quitters never win. So we're not going to quit. We're not giving up. We're here to fix this, make it right, and move forward. Hopefully, you know, you guys aren't disappointed in me. This stuff kind of happens, and I'm learning just as much as you guys are, and I'm trying to teach you my mistakes and show you what I've done wrong, what went right for me. And, you know, it's just one of those things that happens, boys. So I'm gonna go ahead, get to work, and I'll pick back up with you guys after I get this all knocked down. What's up, guys? I am pretty excited, pretty pumped right now. I know this is about to look terrible, but I hope you guys like the time lapse. By the way, I've been blending this. I let it sit for a little while. I've wet sanded it twice now. I just put another little fresh coat. Yes, there is like a little spot there, but that will wet sand out tomorrow. It's currently like 11:30 and I am beat. I'm tired, and I feel like a huge weight was lifted off my shoulders. Tomorrow I'll be able to come in here, wet sand this, put another little coat on it if I need to. I think that's going to be okay. Some of these like little areas where I had that same consistency, that same issue, I can go ahead and just hit those with that same black primer so I don't have any bleed throughs while I'm painting. And I'm going to go ahead and shoot the entire bay again. I know it looks dirty and dungy right now. I need to clean it. It's, you know, I've been wet sanding and doing all this stuff to it. So I hope you guys aren't too mad at me for super long upload, but this is the reason why. I've had so many things happen back to back, and it's already been kind of a crazy time. We have all this stuff going on in the world right now, so man, I don't even know how to explain this. I'm gonna try to upload this off my phone tonight. I doubt that it'll work. I might have to just go back to my house that's 40 minutes away to upload it. I don't have anywhere with internet around me, so, but like I said, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna turn off all my power, my heater, and go ahead and go home. But all suited up. I got all that stuff fixed. It's a new day. Sorry about the crazy hair. I don't got my beanie on or nothing. I've been real busy. I'm about to put my mask on if I can find it. I don't know where my full face respirator is, so I might have to run out to the truck and just grab a regular one. I have just enough color to do this leftover, and everything came out perfect in my opinion. I am super stoked. I'm hoping that this works this time and we don't have any issues. I hope you guys are excited. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and just get right to this. I think it's not much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of spray a tacky coat of color on those areas that have the black primer first, and then I'll let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, flash out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat over it, let that flash, and if I got another one, I'll put another coat on it, and that should be it for the day. So hope you guys are enjoying the content. Again, my apologies for taking so long to upload, but you can see been mega busy. So stick around, about to be a time lapse of me painting. There it is, guys. So I got a base coat on there, got the color down. There is no clear on there still, but I fixed all the problems and I'm super fucking happy. I am super happy that this came out, but I'm gonna wait like about 24 hours. I might come in and clear it later tonight, but I wanna let this gas out properly. That way we have a separation in between the two. That way if I do chip it, it's hopefully just a clear coat and it doesn't bring the paint off as well. So I'm going to be using a 2K high impact clear coat to kind of aid in the fact that, you know, wherever I may touch with the wrench or, you know, I'm screwing something down, whatever the case is, I don't want to chip off the beautiful paint. Right now, this does no justice. You cannot see the pearlescent at all because it just looks like a base. It just looks black. There's no clear coat over it, guys.
A few moments later.